Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. Jamaica Teas Limited trading in their shares here. A director of Jamaica Teas selling a total of 76,409 shares over a couple of trading days on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the JSE, between June 29th, 2022 to July 4th of this year. Now, Productive Business Solutions, that's PBS, a company, not too many corporate action items on the JSE, but coming out here with a senior management change, a pretty important one. Advisory that Mr. Ian John, the regional CEO of PBS, has resigned effective May 13th of this year. A little bit of a, let's say, tardy or late notice coming out to the JSE. Nothing wrong with that. You know, it's not too late in terms of 90 days or 120 days or so, but they got it out there by PBS. Next up, we got GraceKennedy, ticker symbol GK. Consolidation of two other manufacturing divisions near completion. We like to see that here. GraceKennedy making the moves 2022, last couple of years, to improve their earnings per share. So GK has advised the merger of two of its local manufacturing divisions, National Processors, NALPRO, Grace Food Processors, Canning, near completion overall. The combined operation has been named by GK Grace Food Processors NALCAN. Now, Mr. Andrew Wildish will assume responsibility as General Manager, that's GM, of Grace Food Processors NALCAN, effective July 1st, just the other day, 2022. And Mr. Dave Mitchell, who has been the General Manager at NALPRO for the past 5 years, attained retirement age earlier this year, and he's agreed to stay on. We like to see that on Business Live to support the transition process throughout the third quarter. Now, Chicken King, Jamaica Broilers Group, ticker symbol JBG, talk about, despite inflation, despite everything else, clearly, you know, those chicken price increases, whatever they've been doing, it has been working, and their strategy. Year-end earnings for Jamaica Broilers surging, not 10, not 20%, but 35% by Jamaica Broilers shareholders here, clearly very happy. So the Chicken King delivering a stunning increase in earnings per share. This is for the year end, April 30th of this year. Huge profit line number by Jamaica Broilers. Operating revenue also up 33%, hitting 75.7 billion Jamaican dollars. Clearly they're on their way there to 100 billion Jamaican soon. That's a milestone for Jamaica Broilers. Now, net profit registered 3.07 billion Jamaican, or earnings per share $3.11 per share, $3.11 per share. Last of tonight, we got Samsung, major technological giant firm here, shares rising on better than expected Q2 guidance in terms of earnings. You know, that's what you see in some of these, you know, big major markets. They give some guidance, not the actual earnings yet. So the South Korean technology giant company expecting for its second quarter revenue to rise 22% to US 59.8 billion year over year, and operating profit to grow by 12%. Despite this, Samsung shares still down around 25% 2022, but the outlook, despite, you know, let's say consumer demand challenges, supply chain logistics, inflation, etc., is bright for Samsung based on their earnings guidance. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a great evening. This is Business Live.